Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpaka. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Was not on the conversation. Iya pe video ni. Do one way a Monica Gio there one way or Mugio that I don't know. But say she called me say a Monica Rakpoto and then the medic me by. I said it and what is the time now? You know go to now and I'm still saying it again. So wahia te bu umwe and Monica wahia go wa go because she is the genesis and the revelation of this whole thing. Yoga Sileran. I'm moved by the voice of lie. Me, I know that woman before. Not be Kate. Who put me join that bedside woman? Not be Kate. I did my house the next thing I hear. I did see conference call. The GPs, maybe they put her. Essa gana mana se to hit oti one dan because the lie now want too much. Hey Katie, you tell me abi you not tell me say Monica got poto eri me ari go nowhere. And I did not say where the voice of truth will get. Inye wo ga argue ohun because the way you come they talk not only to my ear and to live video. And Monica just said it on a live video now say Kate come they talk and say juju de Senegal. Are Senegal. You won't come talk now, you say na phone, it dey. Percy dey phone. Percy dey phone. Then they call me for live for my phone, they tell me say if Monica dey poto, na so me go give her money. Make it come talk now. Hey Katie, oh Jesus, they agree me make I go ni ya see la dan avec no je. Hey Katie, ogumana gwe. Because if you know say you want to do all those things, wait till make you come they add me put. Because you see me, you know why they not give me wish? When not saying I'm an me. Because you know go tell I go expose all of you. I'll your carry police, I'll your carry and go on a covu. Covu. That's why not give me wish. You not give me wish. Because I go carry people go the coven. I go carry una go the coven because and if you can't they lie. If you marry the coven, that's why not give me wish now. Why did they assume me? Because my belly not the two they keep all those things for a long time. Monica. I came in and said, "Na mother lagunuwe." I beg, no, let me start with you. No, let me start. Go watch my video again. Do my wash eh? Yade beg eh? If they send a voice of truth message, yes. When not November di ma gi ohun. Don't ma gi ohun. Or November your knee. And every not no November. Or ma November. Because not time no. And wait I will live video. Most of the thing, that's why they say these people they watch Kate. They throw many things they come and thank God say people they pick one. If not, nobody for believe me. Oh. Nobody for believe me. Oh. Thank God the Monica now have time where Kate really talk and say ebore Senegal ebore mina. Are Senegal Now, so now, Africa country. Yes, she was saying it. Say I can't talk and then that one can't affect me. Why I beg one no let kill na say because if you time I make and anytime any day we are go talking and prove see there for your videos. You have your ladies. You say okay. Yes. Why make a silly man? And the verse of this thing, and the verse of lie, and the verse of lie. You when they come there, you say they talk with you. For example, I they talk with you I don't know. And you know, we tell me when the live video we were like, ona be amwe bogbe because e come and your man abu wenya we come now let you believe or come and you are both fear kun. Oh yeah, move. Get out. Now let you believe on camera. Now that camera will kill you. Now that camera will kill you. You waiting you not see. Atamu we. Edekete we atamu we do atamu live video. Oh na mo bug big boy. You say as Monica te respond to you. Cause we are do at here, but we are more bug big boy. When you do even worse. You can't see me. Even worse, and this one they even tell me. Mona call Kate come out. Make you to go release weapons. Kata make it in another boy. What I mean? No, now let my platform for the con. Now my platform for con they be like we shall go you want my swear for you. I got a be like wish for here. They say na I say na Kate no can. You know go take say me can't swear. He also bois. When they cut it over, but what got tamame where a Monica got poto, a Monica got ne big bell, I wanna. And I don't even thought say he go even die. But the way when I dream say you won't kill another one I talk. Not knowing say she dey plan all those things before you can't tell me say a Monica Rakpoto or guy Bienya Gone or guy I wanna a live video, me go give her money. He won't use the money to do one. That this was a wells. He no can you go use the full salary. So what did they do for outside this night? You don't know the work with me and your mother do. Oh man, when I'm visual. Oh God, this one. I know if you keep me laugh. You know they work with your mother do. Oh, make I know your lie. This is no voice of lie. Come here, I know want me go call for Monica video. I idiot you. No, you they ask some kind of question. Not I know who is lucky me. So the question when they ask me, as he said, I'm my husband or not. Oh, now my boyfriend. Now that's the way they say they do now they do. Oh God. I know go feel now. But you can part. When they get it on dinner, the apology they verse you. You know they verse me. When you kill yourself. Monica, if you don't fit take it, say make it call apology. I say apologize. Make it call talk and say see what he tell me. I bet you why that one say he want the rest? Only now I'm big red overs of lie. They swear they give himself. No, it's not my mother. I'm just joking with you. And I saw me sit a joke with you. If they talk anyhow, you know what me person talk to you. Hi God. This thing he really funny and they stupid. Hi God. AJ. frustration laugh, whether na frustration laugh oh. So far I laugh. Obuwa na me frustration laugh, I na me depression laugh. As so far ni me gie. Frustration, thank God say frustration even get laugh. Yes, that your where wunya. You not even feel laugh, frustration or depression laugh self. Also, man. I heard they watch. I been on your right for Monica now. Me and you do audio video before I will come tomorrow. Yes, I dey waka na. I'm walking. I'm walking. Hey, Jay. I don't voice of lie. Make I repeat. Watch the video again. And I go play my video again. That place when I for talking. Say they send you message. Yes. You be ping pong. And eke tove tie or win your wenu ladian. Ogon boy abi wabo fie kunle lue. Or win your wenu ladian. You know what I say? You know where they anyway. Go ask her now. If about fie kunle, when I go see. In short, even get where I go do this thing. If you are anybody ask me stupid question, they no go ask that short begbu. That with your wife. If you go ask me stupid question, I go you now stupid answer, slap now will answer you. Which kind of nonsense be this? Oh, a ping pong, oh him. Stop to they do this thing. Stop to they pretend say now sometimes they will come out, you can't tell them who was the audio gear. Audio where we so when you take permission. She they play when you take permission, yeah, what la Diana. When you take permission for your master. Or when your time when no lad look at platform. And not to use you. Not to use you. That was the plan of her. Because Eba me do dege na because when you hear recruit. Oh, na me go here via soldier no here. You know when they recruit soldier. When I recruit a soldier no yoko when they go war. They don't recruit and I can't declare for my eyes say they recruit them. Infinity Saga. We say man, especially get day indoor. You day streets this kind of time. This kind of time. Nice. When you go wetin be that retire from Okpo. Okay, you say when I go retire, sorry. I retire, well, no retreat, no surrender. Israel may retire, Infinity Saga. Israel may retire, may retire. If your man not retire, don't forget that thing. May retire. Responsible girl. Where you for sit for inside his house. Ask some anyone, ask somebody here, not to tell the work. Anyone. Anyone, so I get up my now, the real people they work. You when they be baby, you they say what you want go. Now we get nights. Hey man, son. It be a camera. You say you for outside this night. Thank God say you know say you be baby. Why may you the sheave. May you the use black hair they cover. Mother sonji so that you now feel sleepy because if we not hold her like this, we are me over Ogun boy Infinity Saga. You go feel sleepy. I forgive you, sweet contact. They insult me. Yes, I go insult you. Because you not be man. If like say you be man, say you be woman. No. You too they fear. You too they fear. So now we get nights. What when I get day? And now people when you get nights, now it's strong pass. Go check and for Google. Yeah, go run. Oh wait, responsible people they inside. No. Weak people they inside. Why the strong one they outside for nights? Because easy. Easy to dey for Joshua. Easy to dey for Joshua for nice. Wait, who be that? Somebody write something. Easy to dey for Joshua for night. You dey where near river, where river dey? Cause where I dey so na river. Drop your pride. You need help. Which help? Help or boah? Who you hear me help? See, not make me vessel. Are you mad? This guy dey crazy. Now you and your so-called people now need help. Okay, because they thought the truth come and now so now they do. If I talk, they will say, and another thing. When I say I want correct Monica, I say I be the come tomorrow. It with the back way. He say, why you not talk? All of them are the same. Monica, you know what I say I won't reply you tomorrow. Now me write that comment. I was there. You go need you. You know, it's because some of this idiot caller, have a frustrated idiot, have all the bo. Inye garu wa de publa boya ye wo boya ya fi divie doni amu yo wa. They will come they call. I say no. Idiot. Hey, I say that way. I no hate Monica. I no hate her. Now Saga. If she say I hate her, and I be say she hate everybody when we say she the Saga. Yes, I did not hate her. Oh, he had a threat for you. What did you know? No good boy. Abola we gbọ́ tó sí idiot call have idiot. Everywhere way, una will see enter trouble one day like it. Cause very soon now, una will see they pull cloth for man. Tinya do attempt now. We are man say have more speaker have idiot. Say that I hate you. Now Saga now follow Monica do na normal. And he marry near your boy, marry near your going. That one my conscience clear. It's so clear like I said tomorrow no day. So the person when he come they do and they tell me. Now make me talk and Monica, if you feel say, so come they call, una be the same. Some idiot caller. The person when he do something, the person when he not done at the same. Meaning Monica and everything when you talk about Lolo, now truth, fine. And you are the same with her. I know that's why I read that comment. Thank God say you read them. Now say make you not talk. That's why I tell you, you are not being sincere. You are not ever the day sincere. Never. Never. You dey ask me whether me not use una Saga tell learn. No, I not use and learn. I learn. I learn. Egui. Sorry. Because based on saying that your friend that time, now I make you not talk. And based on saying Kate na my friend that time, I say me not have ta. If that dog made a mistake or anything, everybody go learn for your mistake. I know they use your own day. And all you make me now learn. We not learn. You see, I say no learning. Learning wrong. Because that's the question you ask me. Then I'm replying you. No. It shows. It's so obvious that we didn't learn. You insulted money. Me not they bring all those kind of nonsense for you. All those one. I take the blame. Na me do one. Saga I do my this that I say I don't get any problem with anybody. And if you say you get problem with me, bring it on. After this one, I say after this one, code deal. No be sumo. This work no easy. This work when they finish Saga give me no easy. Then you need help. Now your head need help. You don't solve your own problem finish. Oh, she need help. She's frustrated. Ozwo. So that one that you were saying, one of those idiots come they talk. I not hate Monica. I not hate Lolo. I don't even have this K2 like. Make your talk the truth. Make everything your finish so that everybody go your day and make she change for her evil. That's it. Then everybody go your day. I no be so I start them. I say I wear never and man. She that dog so that me go because Sarah tell me who carry my name go. Your name when it be. Your name na Oguna. Have you when we anywhere? This saga. You not be juju on your own. Juju see the juju the key juju. Are you not a juju? You know say you not juju on your own, so you forget that thing. Stop na I don't come. No na I don't voice of lie. Oh. Monica, go and watch my video again, please. I said Kay they send a message because of what Kay come they talk and she take talk for live video. But I not all say is na Edo voice of truth. That's why Edo voice of truth. Okay, I go come swear for your generation tomorrow. I go so swear for you. Because that shows that you are not watching my video and you are not listening carefully. You are not watching and you are not listening carefully. If they send you message, swear say, I don't even thought say now you is send. When Kate call me, she not tell me say now you she send. She say, Monica rakpoto, ona ramit, ona rawi na who your live video with dokpa. Na live video you foresee in debt everything. Say make me come put my money. Make una know they talk that one. And I can't talk say the only call when me and you and she dey na about her son based on the page things. That's what I said. You said that you need there will not get place to sleep, bed, or this thing. No restaurants. No. I don't need it for that one. No, I'm just okay. Now hustle, now hustle. When you dey also, you dey streets. Next week, if you need this saga, next week you'll see me for my bed. I don't come for us. I'll go house. You'll see me for my parlor. If you need this saga, then you will know say now your man need help. Hustle on the normal level, on the hustle ground. I wish I fit carry my bed and my room, everything come here. I say what they thought, say the way they carry house, they follow body. If a time, if a mulelegbe, but yeah, yes, I dey street now. I dey my bobo house. I will dey street do live video, yes. But I promise you, next week, I dey my house. In short, now even COVID, if I want to go take my corona, the second corona vaccine next week, Friday this week. I say this week, next week. This week now I won't go take on Friday on the 12th. Now we'll go take the second one. Now the second one they hold me. Oh. Now they hold me for a year. Oh. Now the second one they hold me for a year. If not, it me also one. Me for that reach us. I don't know why I even go take the first one. And now, I'll need to wait to take the second one. Me. Hey, street walking, me man wawa who best. Also, I've been even know the spend for you again. It concern you. This one say, why are you insulting people when supposed to be my mother? Okpaika, me marry Okpaika. If person when it's supposed to be my mother, they can't misbehave. They know when you. You see you only know to where zua. See you now. Finish this saga. It's nothing like street walk. all una support, all una mama, all una this thing, all the Bini, most of the Bini women where they do okpo. Where if you say I for see them. Me na wrong side day. How many times I'll tell you say na wrong side day? I don't do okpo. I don't see meje. And I even there inside house. Now even because of this video, and I make me even come outside. I was inside. Then we because of this video, and I make me come outside. Ask una sister here now. They know where I dey. Una wife or una baby mama. They see me for here. They know where I dey. Ask her now. Say where Sarah? They even some of your brothers they see me here. Say Sarah, oh yeah, and me. Me the chest. I didn't enter anywhere if I won't enter. That's me. Hey boy day. So ask them whether na street I dey or whoa. Now because of this video, now make me comment. Sarah, I just see. So the main thing, all those idiots, they work out different, they need out different. After they will say, now you frustrate. Not be frustration will make you they divert my waiting at the talk. Don't voice of lie. Look at the baby, I'm even to even start with self. When we bug baby, and so say that they will talk with you, no self. We're born in Yanka be. Thank God, say Monica, I will ask you, say, when I always already DNA where I know. Udege sakpana ya hu were you ya hu. Why you go dey swear for wetin they do? Is that not a juju? When nu we na ata when no ya re DNA re. We ga areba mama be ga away. We are to boy na you see why God will dey punish you now constantly. This one na even here. This one not be say even and lie self. And I not pull out for your head. And I don't even thought say it's na Monica head. He say you maybe you go kill Monica. Oh, I not be you. Do work or matter mom. I remember tell you. Go and watch my video, motherfucker. Go and watch my video. But o get wo hu a yes. Don't fe bo we keti man get wo hu. Ye yan so hu we la dian do aluwe pompon. Thank God say Monica even notice and when case start to the insult, a Katie got support or we support or got stop we stop based on the ping-pong where you be. Is it a lie? You won't consider like you say no be don't they push you. You be ping-pong now. Just like Sumo when you see do me Sumo, yeah, okay, I don't take the blame to myself. It's okay. Eh? He said no grima the user. Monica confirm me. Oh, where we get stop. Oh, why we saladian? Oh, why we stop? Thank God. Eketa why we stop? Okay, lolo. Oh, why we stop? Eketa why we stop on anywhere neketi mu da oga mu da. Me bi alo nwa herere. Abi say people not too well okay mama ga agwe. Or do you think you are smart? You think say people not come they wash you? Is that what you think? So before you came we bog beg no go and vow we go and watch my video. And before you came we bog we no we bog beg yo wa we what you don't fair do? Not they swear put because the cost go your return to you. And beside that, Eketi, and where you know Taiban. Eketi na ya romame. That tell you that I'm not lying. Eketi na ya romame. Me ta we go not me we ata we awege bo we ge father. Ogun gbe wa gbon ni wa bola we gbe. Boya nu ti ohun wo hu Eketi ohian re because we no je Eketi e deve mu meye ye o we afio boy we la lo. You turn to that beggar forever. Oh, yeah, idiot. Amu me ye call with we. Not be Kate. E Kate om yon tu pamu. Amu bogbe. God they swear for that one. They Chris. And Monica, it matter where a do voice of truth you go mu where here. Ota ma meri nye eru hia moto eri ye hia gbo eri ine me na ve mina I can't see dream. Not knowing say she did plan all those things before she can't tell me. But keto. Though you who anything you want to swear. Why you call me come they tell me say Monica got moto ona you got man do a live video. And then me don't give me back. You know they come out. That one when I won't talk say I no go reply. Man was a be. I know the rest. Don't leave me. Because now. He said they not they reply. So that they'll cause me be liar. Okay, no. Or zebena. Because this matter, why I even do it now? So that I was like 2021. It went to 2022. With new chapter of my life. But they want to say, I know they even the voice of idiots. You know they reply to Sarah. Oh, boy. You go reply before. Eti gberawa. And when you do video, you go cock it. You have video you mean Nana. Many times when they cock it, I don't know. Even the other one they know. Ugbenso, feti na tamo eketi atamo no ladin. Or when ula wa. Or when ladin or when ula wa. Or we get okay. Oh, where check it. Ya make it to wake it to. Uta mesera we. What when he ladia. What do I have a live video? Maybe all the time I wear yes or no. Cause where? Why are you making your mogi? Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Now, dead the thing wants her to the worst. Oh, what do I deny? Who do I deny outside? Hey. And the money can win it day. Ya get video man for okay do have one. Now so na the verse of truth he say he send. I say you they do something they come for ran oga agie wo hu. Imawu unhore Monica Gewe. And beside that, he say he send Monica head go somewhere for live video. Move Tonya. Every time I met her, Katie. Unu na he ya na your mother for. Unu na ho by. Unu na wa ho by so. No, when I walk by, now your mouth for here. So tomorrow I they come. Tomorrow I they come. A voice of a lie. A voice of lie. No one that the case now we go look where he. Oh, you know what we've won, man. Yeah, view. Oh, what we've won, to where TV more bog be boom, two more bog be more. For what you know is even truth. Elie keti na de keti na ya ro mami. Okay, when get keti eti ya ro. De to ya ro o. De to ya o mi ne o. We no la jan do tai. And especially that one when he tell me say we dey wait till tomorrow I dey come tomorrow. And make una go call keti. We ya take keti la dian Why I take it la dian ekiti go say ekiti gbega okowe oh Jesus. Neta ya ero mane. Na ya ero. And those voice of life it dey know wa and they come for you. No get the lazy youth. Tomorrow, na party. Wait. Not that one. A woman, they wait me give a document. Oh, Jesus. He say, man, I will give a document. It's still good now. Woman give man, man give woman. Okwo mienye. No, ya mienye okwo gbe. It not be the same. When me ti be men no biasha, I know they give ogun gbe. You know go fine. Yen ya la lo ni se bo ne. Oni se bo. So that ebo be bene. To me, I just give birth to triplets because of Sarah Saga. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Say you give birth to Sarah the no get social media side chick. No be social media side chick. E no give. If me want fuck no give. When they tell una say na small thing, you say na lie. Ya bole no give. Ya bole live video na. E no get the lazy idiot. Oh, I don't know one day they put a no give on. Oh man, say that guy maybe no give. Man, do not let they put on for everywhere. Now could they divert my topic. So I don't voice of lie. Before I on this video, go and watch the video. First, I did not said Kate send you to kill Monica. No. I said she they send you message. Yes. Because she talking. She said she they send you message. Okay, wohu. Don't okay Monica. Don't okay where only magin. Okay. And secondly, wahia tie bo mugbe Kate. Umona mugbe, it show me buwe de wa who they come for you. I'm coming for you. My boy fear kunlilo awori awagbon. Very any idiot like that. Hey, they say I'm an idea by you lalo. You know they lick your toto. Even the money cannot they lick a toto. If your husband they suck you, they suck you, if that suck you finish, you go put the mat. To feel boy you lalo. All of them they lick una toto. All of them they lick una toto. Hey, boy you lalo. Many all of them they mad. In short, they will talking for it. Even Peter, Paul, even talking. Everybody do they crazy. Everybody they mad. Many everybody do they mad. Everybody is mad because if they say me you talk all of them they shook for toto they leak. Now they leak on toto, they leak on everything. So that one, if you know say you never test your toto before. If you but that means he said na cause that means everybody is mad. Everybody they crazy. Nobody normal again. Yes, that can be truth. But yeah, he said because say me. And I know even shook candle. I only put on I know shook for my daughter even lick. I was zoo. And even if not that, person don't kiss, don't shook put tongue for my toto, then if a kiss because my toto is okay. That one a truth. That one is a truth. That means everybody. Oh fuck.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully